Hi all, this is Ashish Kyal here. Welcome to Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul, learning by wavestrategy.com. I am going to be talking about an event which is happening on 29th of August on a Sunday at 11 a.m. From 11 to 1 p.m. I'm going to be conducting a free event or a webinar that talks about Elliott wave and candlesticks. This is an amazing webinar. I conducted it last weekend and the response we got was simply fabulous. A few of you were not able to attend due to your other commitments. So I thought, why not conduct this free webinar again for people who missed it? It has been a wonderful experience for me over a period of more than a decade that I've been practicing Elliott waves. And it's a very simple method that you can apply for your trading. आई एम श्योर कि अगर आप ट्रेड करते हैं, आपने देखा होगा कितने बार आप ट्रेड लेते हैं, पैटर्न फेल हो जाता है, उसके बाद में ट्रेड लेने के बाद टारगेट आने के बाद क्या करना है आपको पता नहीं होता है. But Elliott wave is a study which combines everything together and it is simply fabulous. So for people who might not know me, I'm an engineer. I did my MBA. I did my CMT as well way back in 2007, and I was working with Lehman Brothers that went for bankruptcy in 2008, and I realized that the markets, something that works is not necessarily fundamental but sentiment moves the market in the way you can't even imagine. And 2008 was an eye opener for me. I'm going to ensure this webinar, free webinar of 2 hours, is going to act as an eye opener for you, because it will change the way you trade. It will transform you as a trader. That is my commitment to you. If you give your time to me, it's a life transformation experience. Because when I did Elliott wave studies, it took me so much time to build up on it because there was no mentor for me. But I am here for you. I decided myself that if I do something in life, I will ensure this knowledge, which is available only to a few big houses, fund houses, and big players, is available to every single person like you and me. And I am also the guy who don't want to do a lot of hard work. I want to do smart work. I want to look at the markets like 15 minutes a day, or maybe if I'm a full-time trader, just for a few hours and spend rest of the time with my family or pursue my passion. Don't you want to do that? Don't you want to spend time in doing what you love doing? Or you want to end up spending time in traveling, working 12, 14 hours a day, and at the end of the day, you are not satisfied. So that is what is the reason I quit my job and I am doing a full time as a trader, as a mentor. I've authored a book, Effective Trading in Financial Markets, published world over in October 2020. Post pandemic of March 2020, I'm sure many of you might have lost your job or faced a pay cut or have been working more than 14 hours a day. Do you really want that life for you? If not, it's time that you take charge of your life and you can create a source of passive income if you trade in the market. Remember, everything comes with a risk. If someone said that it's a risk-free way of trading and making money, no, that's a false. They are just trying to fake it and they are trying to sell you something. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ कि ये जो भी आप ट्रेड कर रहे हैं, it comes with a risk and I will tell you how to manage it. That is very, very important. The more risk you take, the more reward possibility you get, but you have to manage it very well. So हम करेंगे क्या? देखिए, Sunday को 11 to 1, which is 29th of August, I am going to be talking about how to look at the chart using candlestick. Then we will build upon how do we combine Elliott wave theory and try with the Fibonacci ratios. Where is the stop loss? What can be the target? And this can be applied right from for positional traders to investor to a 5-minute chart if you are an intraday trader. Yes, I'm sure if you are an intraday trader, this technique can solve, can give you a huge solution to your problems. Also, if you are an option trader or a currency trader or a commodity trader, it does not matter, because this technique जो मैं करने वाला हूँ is applicable across the time frame and across the asset. और ये जो webinar होगा वो हिंदी और इंग्लिश में मिक्स होगा. So you don't worry about whether I will understand, I will not understand. It's my guarantee that you will understand the concept that I am telling you, I am going to talk about. And to make it more lucrative, if you register for the webinar, I'm also going to give you access to certain exclusive bonus videos. And you simply have to register on wavestrategy.com/webinar. You don't really have to bother about anything. You just have to go and register yourself. what you have to lose is nothing. You just gain knowledge. And this is an investment for lifetime. It's not a cost. Cost is something जो हम movie देखने जाते हैं, हमने spend कर दिया. You and get entertained yourself and it's gone. No, this is an investment. If this is an investment, it stays with you for lifetime. So start your journey to become a profitable trader now. Time is now to do wonderful by trading. And many people said me when I started way back 15 years back, many people told me that this is gambling. But I said, no, this is a science. There is a method. The only thing is you have to take that step forward in order to execute that method. So आपको भी करना क्या है? कुछ नहीं करना है. You just have to take that step forward. Register on wavestrategy.com/webinar and you will be amazed and thrilled to see how beautifully this technique works. Last weekend we talked about Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty behaved so wonderfully well. So many people tweeted across to me at the rate Kyal, Ashish is my Twitter handle. They told they applied that technique and they already made money. So why are you missing out on this wonderful opportunity? And the reason I conduct this is I want this knowledge to be available to the people at large. And I am also featured on CNBC TV 18, ET Now, Bloomberg Queen, lot of business channels I've been talking about. So you know, whether run from a person who is an author, who is a chartered market technician from US, who has worked with investment bank like Lehman, and who has been in the trading industry for more than 15 years now. So you just have to also call on 99-204-22202 if you have any difficulty registering. This webinar is online on a Zoom platform. Once you register, you will receive an email with the link. You simply have to click that and you can join it. Again, I'm repeating, it's on 29th of August, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. For 2 hours, you have to give your time. You can ask your friends, your family members to attend, and they will also be amazed to see how wonderfully this technique works. So I've been teaching thousands of people already. You can be one of them who are going to be a successful trader. That's my mission and vision. I want to create a world of successful traders, and that is what I am doing right now. This is Ashish Kyal signing off, and you have to only take that step forward. And I'm always here with you. If you have any questions or doubts, you can always reach out to the number. And if you're watching this on YouTube, the description contains the link and the phone number where you can reach out to me directly. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful time.